the adventure can begin. But in ELEKTRA, not only the player has to fulfill a mission.
Looking at the 21st century, the most successful entertaining form at the moment that really consumes most of the free time of our young learners are computer games, actually. So we want to utilize the motivational success of computer games for learning, and that is why we've chosen digital game-based learning as our research topic.
In the ELEKTRA project, 9 research partners combine their expert knowledge in psychology, pedagogy, cognitive, neuro and computer science. The partners from all over the European Union are working together to develop a new learning concept.
The aim of the project being bridging 2 different worlds, one of the computer sciences and the other from pedagogy, and these 2 worlds were quite separated.
The project follows the school curricula. For example, in physics. In the 8th grade, pupils are taught optics. Here, the ELEKTRA game can offer help to the young learners.
The problem with normal learning games is they concentrate on learning and forget about having fun.
Most state-of-the-art computer games include a tutorial. The game designers have, by intuition, found the right way to teach the players the rules of the game.
The storyline is very important since it is the backbone for the whole experience of the game. As a player and as a learner, you want to experience the story and you want to live through it until the end and go through it. And the story creates tension, but it also creates context and meanings.
In ELEKTRA, the player has to uncover a conspiracy in which the revolutionary Italian physicist Galileo Galilei plays a central role.
How should Galileo Galilei be? Should it be a friendly character or an unfriendly character? And based on these design questions, we conduct an empirical study where we compare different versions of Galileo and ask our potential learners which version they prefer.
However, Galileo's character design isn't ready yet. Further research is necessary. This time, neuroscientists measure the activity of the brain, while the volunteer is shown faces with different expressions.
Notfall. Notfall.
We're really looking upon the effect of emotion on enhancing learning. And basically we look at which areas in the brain are involved in this task. At the moment, we have a strong indication that, the words with the emotion modulated in the facial expression does engage a different network of memory within the brain.
ELEKTRA feels like an adventure, but every aspect of the game is based on scientific research. From the design of the characters to the setup of the learning content. In Dublin at Trinity College, Owen Conlon and his fellow colleagues translate the research into bits and bytes.
From our perspective, we're bringing theories to do with computer science and how computer systems and services can best aid the user, aid the learner to promote the activities that they're trying to carry out.
Here, the players need to navigate a ball into a hole. The pupils adjust the settings and are then asked how sure they are of their decision.
In the ELEKTRA game, we have 2 visual bars that indicate confidence and prudence. The importance of displaying these bars is it shows the learner that from their previous learning situations they've been engaged in, that they are appropriately confident or appropriately prudent, or not if that is the case. What it allows the learner to do is to slowly improve how well they self-assess themselves, to self-assess the knowledge.
This aspect is difficult to cover in a school lesson. Here, the pupils work together in groups. However, the parallels to the experiments in class are clearly visible in the game. After playing the ELEKTRA game, the pupils can talk about their experiences.
Und ich glaube, dass man sich dann auch die Dinge dann viel besser merken konnte oder etwas besser halt, als wenn man jetzt nur im Unterricht dauernd zuhören müsste und dem Lehrer Antworten geben müsste.
Oder man lernt was und dann fragt man demnächst im Unterricht und dann weiß man schon.
ist auch ein Vorteil.
Also das Spiel würde ich auch, glaube ich, noch öfter spielen. Also ich finde das schon interessant.
The game is not supposed to replace the lessons or the teacher. It should be played after school, when the teacher isn't there to help the pupils.
A good teacher and a good game designer, they actually have the same job, to motivate learners or players to reach the goal of the game, or let's say the learning lesson.
It's a real challenge. The ELEKTRA team still faces many tasks and has to answer many questions. The team, however, has already completed one mission. They've opened the door to a new generation of learning games.